In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit images on your site Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust how an image fits on the page, apply an effect, and fine-tune the way it looks, so your design feels polished and consistent. Start by opening your site in the editor and clicking the image you want to adjust. This brings up a small toolbar right on the image, which is your quick access to editing. Next, click the pencil icon to open the full editing panel. Think of this as the command center for that image. Everything you need is in here. You'll see options for fit, fill, and shape. Fit keeps the entire image visible within its container. It's great when you don't want any cropping, like with logos or detailed illustrations, but you may notice empty space around the image depending on the container's aspect ratio. Fill does the opposite. It ensures the container is completely covered, which often looks more immersive for banners and galleries. Just remember that fill may crop the edges, so choose an image with some breathing room around the subject. Shape lets you apply a specific silhouette or mask, like circles or other stylized frames, which can add personality and consistency to sections that show multiple images side by side. Let's choose fill as an example, since it's common for modern layouts. With fill active, your image spans the entire frame, and that's where the fine-tuning controls really help you dial in the look. Now, click Image Effect. This opens a set of visual styles you can apply instantly. Select an effect to preview how it changes tone and mood. Subtle options can create cohesion across a page, while bolder choices can help a hero image stand out. If you're pairing an image with text, a softer, lower contrast effect often improves readability. After choosing an effect, adjust opacity. Opacity controls how transparent the effect appears on your image. Lower values make the original image show through more, while higher values make the effect stronger. If you need text to pop, a slightly reduced opacity on a darkening effect can make headlines much easier to read. Next, fine-tune scale. Scale zooms the image in or out within its frame. On fill, a small increase can help you avoid awkward cropping at the edges, but be careful. Scaling too high can reduce sharpness. Finally, adjust. Offset to nudge the image within the frame. This is perfect for centering a subject or aligning a focal point without changing the overall size. That's it. Click the image, open the editor with the pencil icon. Choose Fit, Fill, or Shape, then apply an image effect and refine opacity, scale, and offset for a clean, professional result.